Donzi videos. I noticed that my channel grew because of the black Donzi. Everybody loves that black Donzi. I'm gonna be making a complete other update video of the black Donzi. Right now it's getting some work done. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you the latest project that I've been working on all week. It's a 23-foot Seabird. This is the same hull as an Anna Capri. It's from 1982 and it has a Yamaha 2-stroke 225 engine on it. This boat I've been doing a lot of fiberglass work. You can see I filled in those holes. They used to have big rod boxes. The owner got some new rod boxes that are shorter, so I filled that in. The floor was rotten, so I replaced this whole section right here. Smooth it down. Right now the boat is ready for some ink. After I lay the ink, I'll be able to see all the low spots. I've sanded down the whole floor. This floor used to have a really bad texture to it. It felt like sandpaper, and the owner didn't like that, so I sanded down the whole floor, get it ready for some new non-skid. Here it had like a crack. Laminated some 1/8 inch plywood. I fiberglassed it and I filled it in with polyfill. By tomorrow I should be able to ink this, and I should be able to sand it down and see all the low spots and get it all nice and pretty. I removed all the hardware from this boat, including the anchor, and I sanded down this top cap with 220 grit. It's almost ready for some primer. I'm gonna pass it again with 220 and clean it with acetone. A lot of work to this boat, guys. We're gonna be putting in some new sound systems, some new lights, and we're gonna be doing some minor upgrades. This is gonna be another budget build. This is a boat that the owner doesn't really want to spend too much money on doing, but if you see here, we've done a lot already, guys. There used to be a hole here. I filled this in. There used to be a hole here. I filled that in. This is gonna be part one of this boat project. I'm gonna be posting up a complete restoration from beginning to end and the next video. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more boat restoration budget friendly builds. I have already 2 or 3 other boats that in line that want to be restored, so I'm gonna be recording all those boats, guys. So if this is something that you guys are interested in watching, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys have any suggestions for me as a rookie boat builder, I really appreciate it. This is gonna be the 3rd boat that I restore, so I've got to hang on a few things, you know, but I'm always willing to learn new tricks, always willing to learn new ways. This boat, we're not going to be spraying, we're going to be rolling. So we're going to be doing the rolling and tipping method. That's going to be done probably on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, so by Saturday I feel like it's ready to start building a midship booth and to start rolling and tipping the insides. So we're going to be painting the whole insides white, and the owner's also going to be painting the sides. So by next week sometime, I should be ready to start sanding the outside and painting it for the owner whatever color he wants. And yeah, guys, so again, if this is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe. If this type of video, these types of videos are what you want to see, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment. I really appreciate it. Alright, guys, so let me give you a little bit better view of this outside paint. It looks like the previous owner really didn't care much for this boat and just rolled down the paint they had next to this boat, because the finish is horrible. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera. We're going to be painting this with All Craft. I'm going to be rolling and tipping All Craft paint. So it'll be the first time that I roll and tip All Craft paint, but I've rolled and tipped other topside paints. So I'm interested to see the difference in that. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe. The next video is going to have this painting process. This is going to be part 1, and in part 2 the boat will be completely done. We should be having it soon, very shortly. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this Checkmate pretty soon, once I'm done with this boat, you know. So have a good night, guys.